Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the oil filler tube lock plate on your Honda engine, you will need a small flathead screwdriver, a mallet, and channel lock pliers. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Unthread the oil dipstick and set it aside. If still intact, use the small flathead screwdriver and the mallet to bend the oil filler tube lock plate retaining tabs outward. Unthread the oil filler tube and remove the old plate. You're now ready to install the new lock plate. Position the plate on the engine housing, then rethread the oil filler tube. Using the channel lock pliers, bend the plate tabs inward to fully secure the tube. Replace the dipstick, and your engine should be ready for use.